me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you get me
Hi for everybody. So, it's a really nice sports park. There are a lot of sport machine and fitness machine, so you can here walking for hours and exercise your body. In the sports parks, you can exercise every part of your body we need for golf. I found it very, very useful. And I think that it's an excellent park for golfers, especially for golfers as me. I am 53 years old and I have a little bit stomach and I'm not in good shape. But every day I make here 1 hour, maybe 2 hours, depend of my mood. And in this way, I think that I lost maybe 6-7 kilos, and also I get in good shape for golf, because and here in Thailand you can really good make you in shape. So you can here exercise, you can here running, walking, also playing golf, practice on golf range. It's a perfect. It's 28 centigrade here. It's a beautiful land for a golf, for all golfers. I think it most developing country for golf. They have over 260 golf places. You can in every part find here some golf courses, golf range, hotels. They have some practice area. I think that Thailand is a super destination for golfer, for especially golfer where is in February, in January, also maybe in March or December. We have a snow and we cannot play golf. Hi, I just take my body in shape. So I'm use this beautiful sport park here near the Laguna 3. It's park full of fitness machine which you can use. So you can walking or running around the lake. It's absolutely beautiful space. It's a really good space to make your body in shape. So I go away. It's really pretty nice. Absolutely perfect park for everyday stretching, maybe make some exercise, yoga, for all things what you need. And today we are finished. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.